This is a really easy to install room divider with a bendable track. It comes with easy instructions to follow as well as all the hardware that is needed. There are these extra loops too in case you want to hang out the blackout curtain just like on a regular rod. This is the blackout curtain and you can see it already has these little hooks on them for easy hanging. Then there's also this really cute faux leather strap to hold it open when you're not using the curtain. So here you can see that with this track, you can really bend it and shape it in whatever form you need. And you can even cut it to a different size if you need to as well. So I have this little makeshift area where I've been recording some of my content, and in the back you can easily see that the basement is not finished. So I'm going to hang it up right here and kind of use it as a backdrop so that I don't have this pink background anymore. So first up, you're just going to want to measure and screw in these little bracket pieces. This is where the track will actually clip onto and it easily slides right in. Now, I didn't have to necessarily measure where I was putting these ones at, but you definitely should before installing. Once those were all up, I was ready for the track, and as you can see here, one side of it has a straight across and one side of it is kind of curved. You want that straight one to be on the top where you insert it to those brackets. Now, at first I was trying to slide them through each one, but it was a little difficult, so I went back and actually just clipped them in one by one instead of sliding the whole thing through each one, which actually in turn made it way easier. Then you have these little plastic end caps that just go on the ends of the track so that these little pieces that slide and hold the curtain can't fall off the track. So I went ahead and just put all those right on and then put that end cap on. Again, the end cap has that same shape as the track, so you know exactly which way to put it. Then I took the curtain itself, and with the hooks that were already on it, I just hooked them straight onto those little slider pieces and I was done. Now, the end caps do have this little hole on it so that you can attach those hooks to it from the curtain, and then that way it won't move from side to side. Overall, it looked really good and did exactly what I needed it to do, but in the end, I decided I needed more of a larger space, so I moved the entire thing over so it was flat instead of bent, and actually used it to divide this space from the other area that was a room. So I ended up using it as not only a backdrop, but also a room divider, like it should be. It was definitely easy to install, and I think I might get a couple more of these to make my space even bigger and have more room to work with. This was an awesome solution.